Hey, this is Brother Barnes, and I'm going to talk about a topic that gives people and parents the most stress ever. Writing a paper and doing an Excel document or a trifold for a science fair. This is like, what? This is like, what? Yes, okay, anyhow, we're going to talk about this. It doesn't really have to be that hard. Give me a title and a title page. Give me the name of the team members, the date of submission. Tell me about the topic. What past research has been done? What is the question or hypothesis? What is going to be measured and how will it be measured? What are the materials and procedure you're using in this project? How about some data in tables? That would be beautiful. Show calculations, discussion, and analyses. This is a little bit complicated because if you do a classic experiment in which the manipulated information is represented on the x-axis and the responding information is represented on the y-axis, or if you track something over time, then it's easy to plot a curve and get a regression analysis. It might be like this. It might be shaped differently. Recently, however, I've done an experiment with my classes, a density measurement experiment. It doesn't really plot well on a graph like this. It's a single variable statistic, and so a box and whisker plot analysis is better for that. Something that looks more like this, without the little projection downward. Well, that kind of wiped everything here, didn't it? Well, that kind of makes it more fun. It kind of helps us guess what's next. Some experiments might be simply analyzed with a percentage error, and I just wipe that. Take your experimental value from your experiment, subtract the accepted value, and divide by an accepted value, multiply by 100. If the percent error is a positive, that means you went over. If it's negative, that means that you were under the accepted value. Please do a conclusion. Evaluate the hypothesis. How does the result compare with what you expected? This would also entail either accepting or rejecting a null hypothesis. And I want to go over this, but this is going to have to be in a separate video. Also, make sure you comply to the resource style that your teacher requested, modern language, American psychological, Chicago style. These can easily be learned about on the internet. No big deal. You got this. Keep up the good work. I am doing a playlist on density analysis in Excel. So stay tuned for more videos.